Hi, career warriors. Now, this episode is for Gen Z, especially who appear for 12th and waiting for the results of their board and applying for various universities and colleges after 12. Could be from humanities, commerce, science, super science, to get into healthcare or maybe hotel management or design or engineering, entrepreneurship, business management, so on and so forth, nautical science, whatever the course you are thinking of. So if I may give you a framework for you which you can resonate with, so that it will be helpful for your basic preparation when you hit an interview at premier universities. So this is SIP. Systematic investment planning, but this is not related with the financial planning. No, this is with your career. Yeah. So I thought of S is about the syllabus and the relevant skill sets. So it's always advisable and it's basics and it's basic preparation that when you go for an interview, you should know what syllabus you are going to study for next couple of years, 3 years, 4 years, or maybe after that, you want to pursue master's. So know what you are going to study, when it comes to syllabus. Suppose someone is from humanities and off the cuff, without any preparation, much of clarity, would like to get into some course which involves little math and stat. Could be related with IT or maybe digital transformation. So you should know that this could be a challenge for you. I'm not discouraging. If you are all set to learn that little math, then it is fine, no problem. But it should not be a shock. You join university and then you realize, oh my God, this is a little bit of stat involved and a lot of analytical skills involved in it. And you say that, I'm not much into analytical skills, but I'm into artistic abilities, artistic skill sets. So keep that in mind. And then I stands for industry. With the rampant rise of AI, and the era has become literally disruptive, so industry expectations are also changing at the speed of light. So you need to understand the industry dynamics, keeping in mind the different geographies and the industries, the ecologies, multiple sectors. It could be hospitality or could be engineering, or it could be design, healthcare, pharma, nursing. It could be any domain you can think of. So you need to keep in mind what the industry is expecting today, not just the local organization but the global organization. So you need to know the best practices and in fact the next practices down the line, 5 years, 10 years. Because you'll be there at the university for next couple of years. So what after that? And the P stands for the purpose. You need to align your programs, your courses with the higher purpose of life. The purpose is as simple as that. Suppose, for example, you want to get into healthcare. So what do you want to contribute to your families, to the fraternity, the community, the nation, to the world, so that it can be a better place, and you also keep evolving.